Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rae Wangari. I'm going to be showing you how to make orange Mabuyu from the comfort of your home. These are the orange Mabuyus, as you can see, and they are really delicious, and the orange flavor goes really well with the Baobab. So it's sweet and it's tangy and it's very refreshing. It's really fun to eat them, so please enjoy and subscribe. We're going to start with this bag of Baobab seeds. We will also need all these other ingredients, including the sugar. Then we have water. This is baobab powder. We have food color. Then there is black pepper, cardamom, and orange flavor, which is the orange essence. So we will just pour the sugar and the water into our container or a pot, and then just put it on the fire. So we want to make the sugar syrup, and this will take 20 to 25 minutes depending on how hot your fire is. So just boil your sugar. I'm using my spatula just to mix it, and a spatula is amazing because you can scrape off the sugar that sticks to the side of the pot. So use a spatula instead of a wooden stick. Next, I will add my food color. The food color is orange to go with the orange flavor. Keep stirring your sugar syrup to avoid it sticking to the sides of the pot, and this is also going to help you know when it's ready because you'll be able to see the texture and the consistency. Once your sugar syrup has thickened up slightly, add your black pepper first and then cook it for about 5 minutes before adding your cardamom. So this is my sugar syrup. You can see it's really bubbly. It's almost ready. So I'll just add cardamom powder, stir it up, and it will just form a lot. That's the sugar syrup. So it's almost ready. It's a bit tacky when you check it on your fingers. So once the fire is off, I'll add my orange essence and then stir it in, and my sugar syrup is ready. So at this point you can add your baobab seeds and just stir them up. So make sure your baobab seeds are fully coated in the orange syrup before you start adding your baobab powder, which is my personal recommendation to avoid having spots of white on your baobab seeds or on your mabuyu. So you'll see I keep adding all the powder after sieving it, and this is going to help thicken up your baobab seeds. They're going to be bigger and give you a better experience. So that's all my baobab powder. I'm going to use all of it, and then I will show you how to adjust your food color. So that's my baobab seeds or my mabuyu. I'm just mixing them, and it's a lot of work, and preferably use a wooden spoon to mix because a spatula is not going to be good enough for a big quantity. It will bend and it's going to be difficult to work with. So that's my mabuyu, and I've still not used all my mabuyu powders, so I'm going to stir it all in and then make extra syrup. I felt like my mabuyus were not orange enough, or the color was not deep enough, but I think that was because of the lighting in the house, because once I went outside the mabuyus had the right color. So I made a little bit of orange syrup with 200 grams of extra sugar with 200 grams of water, so a ratio of 1:1. So after mixing up my mabuyu and the extra syrup, I'll just pour it into trays so that the mabuyus can dry up and the sugar will crystallize. So spread out your mabuyu on your tray to give your mabuyus room to breathe, and take them outside if you have a sunny day. If not, you can leave them outside so they don't get rained on. Yeah, this is the color. You can see it's a very vibrant orange. I love it. I'm just pressing the mabuyu powder on the mabuyus at this point because it's still damp and it will cling onto the mabuyus. So by pressing the mabuyu seeds with the mabuyu powder, you'll be able to cover up any spots that you missed while mixing in the sugar syrup. This is how to fix them. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.